Children, let us go through chapter number 5, natural and man-made disasters. Now, let us first of all define a disaster. Now, it is a sudden accident or a natural catastrophe that causes the great damage or loss of life. We cannot see disaster coming or the tragic occurrence, but it leads to damage and destruction, loss of life, and it has its impact over the environment too. Now, the types of the disasters, we can categorize or we can divide disasters to be of the natural and that of the man-made. Now, natural disasters, they occur outside the control of the human being, where we do not have any control over the situation. But the man-made disasters, they are accidental, like the technological disasters, they are also known that, and they are the breakdown in the human-made system. Now, let us discuss the consequences of the disaster. Daily life is disrupted. Then the basic facilities, amenities like food, water, electricity, their easy accessibility, it is hampered. Healthcare system is overwhelmed because the sudden increase in the demand of emergency goods, medical services, it has taken place. Occurrence of the disease outbreaks that can occur, then water and sanitation problem, it can be there. Long lasting effect of the disaster, that is in the form of the various medical issues that can arise. Let us go through the difference between the natural and the man-made disaster. Now, natural disasters, they are caused by the natural forces. Examples like tsunamis, floods, landslide, hurricane, wildfires, droughts, and volcanic eruptions. Steps can be taken to minimize the effects. Man-made disasters, they are caused by the activities of the human beings only. An example can be oil spill, biological attack, explosion, cyber attacks. Now, they can be avoided by careful planning and prevention methods. Natural disasters, we can try to estimate the severity of the natural disaster by the aftermath in the terms of the population that has deceased, then the economic loss that has taken place, the time taken by the population to come back to normal life, to rebuild its life and return to normalcy. Now, natural disasters, they have the following after effects like loss of life due to falling the tree, freezing to death, maybe being washed away, or the heat strokes. Then the loss of property that affects the life of the people, living quarters, transportation, livelihood, and the means to live. Then the agricultural fields or the fields in general, open land that can be saturated with water after the tsunami, and then it can take years to grow crop again. Homes can be destroyed by flood, by hurricanes, by cyclone, by landslides, volcanic eruption, or an earthquake, which at times can take a very longer period of time so that the area it can become livable again. Then the personal effects, they are also there. Many property losses, they are there. Then the vehicle loss, then documents, personal documents, they also take a hit after many natural disasters.